That was a heartbreaking story.
Indeed, you know, up till now I couldn't help but wonder how people derive joy in seeing others hurt. People can be so mean and wicked.
So sad. But that is, the reality of life, and there is nothing anyone can do about it. But okay, what if it is really not what it is? Your girl's story.
How?
What if she made up the story just to get cheap sympathy from you? The story could look real, but she may be lying, you know.
Greg, you are only having those doubts because you have really not experienced the ugly side of life. Besides, I know a true story when I see one.
You see, I'm only trying to be rational here. Though the story could be true, but you wouldn't expect her to tell you that she chose prostitution over material things, or possibly for the fun of it.
Well, I'm not surprised you said that. You never liked her, even though you've not met her before. But that's okay. I love her, and she loves me too. That is all that matters. Anybody's opinion, observation, suggestion is just a noise to me.
Don't look at it that way, Okechukwu. I'm only looking out for a friend, just watching your back, that's all.
Thanks for watching my back. Thanks for that. Thanks for being there for me. Thanks for all your I don't know what to call that, piece of advice and all of that. Can I be left alone now? I have work to do, please.
This is a polite way of asking me out of your office.
I don't know, whatever you want to call it, that's fine. But I just want to go easy. Now. Etiko, please.
It's okay. Without pleasure.
It's alright. Honestly, baby, I don't understand the kind of graduates we are producing these days. If you see this girl, she's beautiful, no doubt, but with an empty skull. Nothing to show for it. Especially the female graduates.
What happened, babe?
There's this girl that submitted her CV. No doubt she has excellent results, but if you ask her a simple question, interview, she couldn't even answer. She couldn't even defend the excellent results she has. It's annoying.
Now I know why you're angry. No, don't be too angry, baby.
All she does is smile, thinking that her beauty will save her from. I mean, it's annoying.
It's okay, baby. I understand where you're headed. Actually, a classmate of mine is like that. You wouldn't blame them. Everyone isn't intelligent, okay?
Well, my love, I don't think so. I think it has to do with being serious with your studies. It's not just sleeping around with lecturers thinking that...
Oh, baby, what are you saying?
It's obvious. That's what she did.
She paid her way through school?
Of course, that's what she did. Or maybe, I don't know.
Come on, my love, it's fine.
It's annoying.
It's okay.
It's a very bad English.
It has passed. Oh.
Anyway, babe, now that you're done with your exams, don't you think it's high time you moved in here?
Baby, I thought we've been through this.
But the house is lonely without
Baby,
you.
we have talked about this so many times. And I've always told you, and I'm telling you now, this is like my house. Anytime you want me around, I will always be here for you. But this idea of moving in here with you, baby, I honestly do not like it. Please, let's just leave it the way it is for now. I beg you.
You just keep saying no.
But I'm here with you. If you want me to be here tomorrow, I'm going to still come. But carrying my bags, oh baby, come on.
I mean, waking up close to you all the time is priceless, you know.
I know. Well, please, babes, we'll find a way around it.
Meanwhile, your graduation party, I have organized it for the weekend, so...
You're throwing a party for me?
A very big party,
Thank you, baby.
So you can call your friends to come over.
Thanks, my love. You know I don't have much friends, but I'll sure call a few of them that I have. Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness. I love you more.
I love you too, baby.
Let me make a call.
Thank you. So, that's okay.
Man, it's funny, but real, Chimamanda. I want to seize this golden opportunity to ask for your unalloyed forgiveness. You see, I've judged you wrongly with no good reason. I mean, okay, he has made several attempts to, hook us up in a meeting. But I thought then it ain't worth my time. But just a few days with you, woohoo, you're good. You're pure. You're an angel. You really proven me wrong beyond all reasonable doubt. I swear.
Barrister. I'm
telling you.
Greg the barrister. You judged her without even knowing her quite well.
Yeah.
I was wrong. Barrister Greg.
You see, okay, he has spoken highly about you. But I just see that it's nothing but mere exaggeration. I don't know why I had such hatred for you, but I'm sorry, and sometimes I wish I met you before him.
Well, thank God you didn't.
My heart is broken. My heart is broken. I swear.
Uncle, I love you, my guy. I'm sorry.
I'm truly sorry for whatever impression I had about you.
Listen, dear, I hold nothing against you, like no grudge at all. Trust me. You know, I have met all my baby's friends, all of them. But each time I talk about you, knowing full well that you are his best friend, he kept giving excuses. And I was wondering, why was this happening? But now you have told me this, I've understood everything. So it's fine. And I want you to know that I have forgiven you. I heard nothing against you. No grudge at all. All right? Let love lead.
Thank you. You are an angel. You are.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Nebaho. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Pam, pam, pam. Oh, Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Nebaho.
Chucky Kelly. What? What you wear?
Yeah?
What you wear?
See, see this one. Now this thing make me say, say you be village girl. She don't know say that this thing they wear for Congo DR. What do they use the dance? Pay way, Congo in Axia.
Today, I beg, go inside, find something, make you wear. Maybe person no see forget begin run. You know what it resemble? Masquerade. Now you resemble
masquerade.
You.
See what you wear. Here in Animal Kingdom. How you call wear this one to be like snake? No go change them. I mean, come on here.
I bet no verse. I not come make insult me. No verse. What you wear fine where you too fine. Come back and make carry something.
Which bag?
For.
Eh?
Come help me carry something.
Hi.
Jide.
They come now. Calm down. They go. You won't carry me. You won't make a okay. Might come back me. Hi. Jide your kosoko. Jide why go Jide your kosoko. Even Jide kosoko no go understand. See this girl, see what I dress. I know fine. I dress like this for this girl. Can't they drag me for more? Come in.
Hey!
Pewe. Congo ina Axia. Pewe Asika. Oh. Hi. Yeah, they are.
Sit, don't worry. Today is not for stressing any of you. Today is for celebration.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
It's okay. Calm down, go. Oh.
What happened now? Why did it take you long before you opened the gate?
Oga no verse, you know say today Oga girlfriend they do party. You know, so now wetin make me I come dey inside they wash plate, they do some things, you know, they cook, all those things. Now wetin happen? No verse, abeg, no verse, Oga.
It's okay. It's okay. I can see you're already dressed for the party.
Yes, those as I dress. I just make some people no say me. I sabi dress too like Huna. You and Oga.
I don't understand. So who are you referring as some people?
Who they? No. I just want dress as guy man. No, nothing, nobody. As
That's
guy
okay.
Man, yes.
That's okay. Nice one. Nice one.
Yes, nice one.
Yeah.
See you. Hey. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Hi. Hey. You know, see how people know how to know say me as I dress. No be that mugu. See, that's what they dress for Congo. We Congo ina Axia. Pewe Asika. We move. Hey. Yeah, now that you're here, I think it would be important if we observe the normal ritual. Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
That's it. Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
I'm good, man. I thought you weren't gonna come.
Never. Come on, don't say that. I would never miss your party for anything in the world.
That's what's up, bro.
So,
brother.
Yeah. Who's the lucky girl?
Of course, she. Maybe finally you're meeting my brother. You know, the other time you guys were meant to meet, but you know, the urgency and so you left. So, of course, you came at the right time, bro.
Is this the person?
Of course, yeah. She's the one.
I need to see you outside.
What?
Come, start this call.
I'm coming.
It's okay. The party can continue. Yes. It's okay.
What are you about to do?
What are you talking about?
Bro, you are about to make the biggest mistake of your life.
You're still not saying anything.
Bro, you can't marry that girl.
Why?
She's a whore. Bro, she can't deny it because I know her very well. It's not possible. Look, my friends have slept with her not once, not twice, many times. I know she would have lied to you about her identity, but that girl is a whore. You can't marry her.
Well, don't worry about that. I already know, so, but, she's still the person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I don't understand, bro. I said you can't marry her because she's a prostitute.
I know, you just said same thing. Prostitute hall, that means the same thing. So I know. So I know about it. Please come and let's continue with it.
Are you serious right now? Is it serious right now? What man in his right senses will want to marry a prostitute?
I'm so uneasy. I'm just so uneasy. Baby.
Wow.
There's nothing to worry about. Like I said before, there's going to be turmoil. There's going to be, family, friends, and but the fact.
What is it?
There's no problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. It's your day. It's our day. Actually, you don't need to be like that. Okay?
Ashabu is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Apuna is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Ashabu is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Apuna is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Like me and you, Ashabu they fall in love with you. She get the family, where she dey support with the money. She's a person kwa. Ashabu is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Apuna is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Ashabu is a person kwa.
But the ability for us to sustain this friendship with love and this relationship is what is going to take us far. Of course there will be storm, but we will stand firm together, right? Now smile for me. It's your day. It's our day. Knowing you has been the best part of my life.
Sorry.
You came into my life when there was no reason to be happy. You gave me happiness. You showed me true love.
Oh my God.
You changed my narratives about love.
That's it. That's it.
I love you with all my heart.
Oh yeah.
Love you more, baby. Love you.
The love I have for you, our love flows like a stream to the paradise.
That's a poet.
You are all I want. You are the best woman I have ever come across with. I'm actually looking for the right words to express the love I have for you.
Oh.
You are the air I breathe.
Oh.
You are the rose I plug.
Ooh la la.
You are my joy.
My guy don't talk wait.
Chimamanda. You are beautiful in and out.
Baby.
You're a blessing to me. And today, I want to ask just one question. Just one question. I will appreciate if you answer me sincerely.
What is it?
That is it. That's my G. Look at it.
Oh, you're so worried.
That's my G.
Oh my God.
Gold plate.
Oh my God.
That's the bomb, man.
Congratulations. You just made me proud now, man. You take a chill pill? Of course.
Oh my goodness, baby, I love you.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So guys, yeah, cause for celebration.
Yes, we're celebrating already.
Of course.
Yeah, more celebration.
It's our day.
Yeah, it is.
It is what it is.
Help Oga.
Which one?
Well, you should be doing that, Ure. See, where?
Me, okay.
Yeah.
I just say I work.
No.
you want
You should give me the call.
Hey, clown. No, here.
Okay.
No, don't worry.
Open one of them. What is it?
My friend. Yay! So this thing that started like a joke has finally turned to be serious.
My sister, it has really turned to be serious, and trust me, I'm really, really happy. I thought it was a game thing, but here we are. Honestly, I can't even contain my excitement. I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you too. I am very much happy for you.
Thank you.
In fact, I wish I'm in your shoes.
No, you cannot be in my shoes, my love. Because the shoe might be smaller for you. But trust me, with the special grace of God, yours will come and you'll be marveled. Okay?
Amen. Amen.
Right. So, why? What is it? Have I said anything wrong?
No, you didn't say anything wrong.
So why are you withdrawn?
Chimamanda, we've been best of friends ever since our path crossed at the university. And I can boldly say that you've been true to this friendship.
Same here. We've been friends since the university, and you have been amazing. You're always there for me each time I call on you. So I appreciate you as well.
I'm sorry to say this, but I haven't been true to the friendship too. I haven't.
Are you serious? How?
What I'm about to say here might come as a shock to you, but I just hope you forgive me.
This is interesting. Come on, tell me about it. What is it?
I somehow became jealous of you when you told me about Okechukwu and the things he has been doing for you. Okay, the time you shot for my advice that I told you not to allow yourself fall in love with him. I actually did that out of jealousy. I didn't do it for sincerity. I was jealous of you. I didn't want you guys to be together.
Ngozika. Ngozi. Huh. This is really unbelievable.
I thought I deserved better.
Hey.
I thought I should be the one commanding the wedding handsome man like that, not you. Hey. So I tried everything I could to make him lose the interest he has in you. But eventually I snapped myself out of that thought. And I hated myself for betraying our beautiful friendship. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. This is like a dream, honestly. I can't believe this is coming from you. So this is the reason you stayed away from me all this while? You didn't want to come see me or anything? Is this the reason?
I was ashamed of myself.
Huh.
I couldn't look you in the eye knowing too well I betrayed your trust. See, Chimamanda.
No, don't do that.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm ready to make amends. Please forgive me. I'm ready to make up anyhow you want it, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. For you to have opened up shows that you really repented and you don't want to go back to it again.
No.
But I am giving you an advice as a good friend. Please, desist from jealousy. It kills more than anything in the world.
I promise.
It does. And please, you have to wipe your tears. Today is a joyful day and not a day for tears. I beg of you.
Thank you.
Once we go in there, just put a smile on this beautiful face of yours. I don't want my Okechukwu to find out anything. Right? I forgive you. From my heart.
Thank you very much.
It's alright, let's go back. And don't do this. Don't give this face when we go back inside. Come.
Thank you.
Ashawo is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Apuna is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Ashawo is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Apuna is a person kwa. She's a person kwa. Like me and you, Ashawo they fall in love with you. She get a family.
Why are you obstructing my view? Eh? Goes up, what is your trouble? What is troubling you? What's your problem?
Mom, you won't believe what just happened right now at Okechiku's house. You won't believe it. You won't believe the stunt your son Okechiku just pulled right now in the name of love.
Chechugo, can you please calm down and tell me what the problem is?
Okechiku has lost it. My brother has finally lost it. My brother is totally mad right now.
Can you cut it off? Just break it down. Tell me what happened.
Okay, Mom. You know the girl Okechiku has been talking about that he wants to get married to. This girl is a renowned whore in this city. A prostitute. And the worst part of it is that Okechiku is aware of this and he continues. He moved on to proposing to her.
What? Okechiku's girlfriend is a prostitute. Hey! Chairman Mo. Ashe.
Mom, that is not the worst of it. That is not even the end of it. As we speak right now, Okechiku is proposing to her. And I warned him.
No, wait. Okechiku has already proposed to her. Without first bringing her to his own family. So that we all can see the girl. Is that what I taught him?
Mom, there's no time for all of this question. We need to do something right now to stop my brother from making the worst mistake of his life.
You don't have to worry yourself. Okechiku, your brother, my son, will not marry a whore. Ashawo, my son will not marry one. What?
If you have to do anything, we have to do it fast. Because there's no time. I can't bear the shame that my brother is going to stoop so low to marry a prostitute.
Hey, Mbana. Anaga nyaga. What will people say?
Good.
No, let me call him.
Good.
Just calm down. Let me call him.
I won't be a party to that. I won't support it at all.
MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
The phone is switched off.
I told you. You see? You see what I've been saying, Mom? Like, Okechiku knows I am coming to meet you. That is why he switched off his phone. He doesn't want to be stopped, Mom.
Don't worry.
I don't understand if this girl has charmed him or something. I can't even explain this. Mom, stop wasting your time. He's not going to pick your call. Okechiku has gone mad.
Why would Okechiku do this?
I don't know. I don't know.
Called me.
Yeah. I think like I wasn't comfortable with what happened. Although you said you were going to tell me something.
Well, my brother recognized you from the previous encounter, so of course you already know he tried to talk me out from proceeding with the engagement, and I said no. He's someone I know too well. I know he's going to tell my mother, but I don't want you to be worried about this, really. I promise that I'm going to protect you, and I'm not backing down anytime soon, or even forever. Okay? I don't want you to be rattled by what I said. I got you. We are in this forever.
Baby, it's not about you. This is a reality I must face eventually. I've always known that I'm gonna face challenges associated with our union because of the inequality in status and class, and also because of the ill things I did in the past. But having to face my fiancé's mother is one of the things I never envisaged. Baby, I'm so scared of what is definitely going to come out of this.
My love, listen, I don't want you to be scared. I got you. When I say I got you, I mean I got you for real. They are my family and I know how to follow them. I'm not trying to say it's going to be easy, but think about me. So you don't have to worry. We're in this together. I promised you that I am not backing out anytime soon. Okay? Baby, come on. Look. Troubles may come, but the ability for us to stand together is what counts. Okay?
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much for always standing by me. Thank you so much for your encouragement. To tell you the truth, you always amaze me. Look at how you're talking to me now. Your kind words have made me stronger. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Look.
Thank you.
Hey, don't worry, it's fine. Mom, I don't understand what you're trying to say.
What exactly don't you understand? No, I mean, what exactly you don't understand in this matter? How could you engage a girl without your parents' approval? And are you the only one getting married to her?
Mom, you mean if I have to get married to a girl, I'll have to bring her here for interview? Is that what you're trying to say?
You can call it whatever you like. I do not care. How can you go into the street and bring a girl and impose her on your family, and you expect us to welcome her with our open arms? No, it will not happen. Our family standard must be respected and protected.
Standards, you say?
Yes, to the core.
Well, I reserve my comments, really. However, what I expect from my mom is your blessings and your advice, and not some dictation. Yes.
Even if she's a prostitute?
The question is, how did you know she's a prostitute if you don't patronize her or her likes? What's the difference between you and her?
Do not allude yourself, Okechukwu. Do not. There's no room for comparison here. I am a man.
Simple. Has a license to sleep around like a dog. Right? A man. No, a woman has no right to prostitute, but a man has every right to patronize a prostitute. Does that even make sense? Are you not the same?
No, wait.
Are you not the same because you patronize prostitutes?
No, wait. Are you in any way trying to justify prostitution?
Well, Mom, I'm not trying to justify prostitution here, but I'm just trying to say the real fact. No, let's call a spade now. You patronize prostitutes, but you are against them, while you go to patronize them. It takes two to tango, remember?
Shut up. Will you shut that your stupid mouth? What has come over you? Of all the girls in this city, flaming with fire, what you sought to marry is a cheap prostitute. Is that how I raised you? Is that how debased you have become?
Mom, I'm just trying to say we shouldn't be one-sided here, okay? Besides, prostitutes or criminals or whoever you choose to call them are people's children. They gave birth to them same way you gave birth to the both of us. All they need is love an attention mother. Care. Who knows they might change from that act? That's what I'm trying to say here. I'm not trying to justify anything here, but I mean, let's call it a spade, man.
I didn't know you are now a therapist.
Same way you say you don't smoke, but you smoke shisha. But you are against people that smoke weed or smoke cigarette. But you smoke. Smoke is smoke. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh. Eh? I never knew you were a therapist now. Please, how can I book an appointment in your hospital? I would want you to cancel me.
Mom, I don't need to be a therapist to understand how things goes. That's what I'm trying to say here. No jokes.
Listen. Listen and listen good. And whatever you think you have with that girl, forthwith. You are from a reputable family. I will not allow you to drag our honorable name to the mud. Nonsense.
And you think she's not from a reputable family too? Because she's on the streets. Well, Mom, I've made up my mind really. We don't have to dwell on this for real.
Let's see how it goes. Because I will see where you're going to bring that girl into. Not this house.
Mom, your blessings, that's all.
Get away. Blessings. Get away with that blessings. Who'll give it to you? Okay. Nonsense. Rubbish. Rubbish! No!
No, report me so they flog me. Why not go to the Reverend Father and report me there?
So disappointed at you, people.
Disappointed?
I'm so disappointed at you. I can't believe you're the one doing this.
Perfect human being. You perfect.
Brad. Brad. Ah, baby me.
What's that like that? What's that? Eh? I didn't talk with you. Stop this nonsense, play.
No be nonsense, oh. This one no be play, oh. See, why you do like this now? Eh? That's why I want to touch you, they do all this now. I just want Kolobi you. Eh? I just want Jide your Kosoko. And Jide Kosoko.
You go Jide your mama Kosoko. Eh? You see your sister, you go Jide her Kosoko. I see no get sense. Stop, I'm not joke with you.
Why you do like this? Anytime they want to touch you now, you go begin to do anyhow. Eh? They go now. They go, no wahala. And I tell you say my game enter, but as if you say you don't want make we jolly. No wahala now. Make I just carry my this thing. Put them back. You know what? No wahala. They go.
Gigi.
Jiwezi.
Jide, I love you.
Abi.
Jide, my darling. Jide, my honey, my sweetheart.
You don't touch me now. I want to do me. Calm down. You don't touch me now because of my money. Eh?
You don't know I like you.
You like me?
You don't know.
Eh? But you know I like you very well. But if I want to touch you, if I want Jide your Kosoko, you go do like say you be your Kosoko.
See you. You don't know sad people, man. Sometimes I go do this small shakara, make it be like say.
Abi. I don't know shakara you do. Eh? They say calm down. We'll do all this things. Eh? So make you know say see, Organo day round, and madam. So we get this compound now from morning till night. Eh? So I want make we just we do things now.
See your madam. They don't come back till midnight. So me and you go do everything for everywhere.
You climb me. You enter me, I enter you. You talk to the legal climbers. Hey, oh my, why don't they do this so?
Make you not do.
Who go first? Now, enter.
No, not the same thing. Maybe me and you go.
Abi.
Jide, my honey.
Yeah, no, for just.
My sweetie. My honey.
What do you mean?
So if I leave you, you go climb me. Now as you be now, you won't climb me. It be like you don't get sense.
Who they talk to?
Idiot.
Come, wait. Who they talk to?
See,
are they sleep?
Hey, make I help you. Make I help you. Like you don't get sense.
What be doing with this? So? Hey, give me my money. I go put my hand.
No, put hand.
I go put hand.
Put hand.
I go put hand.
Put hand.
I go put hand. I go put hand. Give me my money. Give my money. Who they?
Babe?
My love?
You still haven't told me how we went between you and your family.
Well, it was nothing short of expectations. My mom made her threats, but it's nothing to worry about, really.
So what about your dad? What did he say?
My dad wasn't around. He had an urgent meeting, so it was just my mom and...
How serious was your mother's threat?
It was serious. It was serious, but baby, I don't want you to think about that really. It's just normal that she would try. Keyword, she would try, but it's just a mere threat, really.
Baby, don't call it a mere threat. It is from your mother. And you know how bonded mothers and their first sons are. Babe, that will stand me not on a good stead.
Well, I understand your point, but you see, nothing will happen to our love unless we want it to happen. I love my mother, no doubt, but she can't dictate whom I'm going to marry. Okay? She's going to try, definitely, but we have to stand together.
Talking about your mom, she's calling.
Yeah, I know.
Baby, pick the call.
Babe,
take the call. She is still your mother regardless. You have no idea why she's calling. It could be something else.
No, baby, I know why she's calling. She wants to start all over. And I really don't want that now. Hey, baby, this is my mother, okay? I know how to follow her. Don't worry. I got this.
Why do you have such a small lip?
Just like yours, right?
No, yours is smaller.
Okay.
I like it.
You didn't tell me you plan to go out.
I didn't know until now.
Yeah. So, where are you going to?
Okechukwu's house, of course.
I have told you to take things easy. Okay? I've already spoken to him. And I've asked him to come and see me here tomorrow.
I will not take things easy. I want to go to Okechukwu's house. Look into his eyes, eyeball to eyeball, and ask him why he has not been taking my calls since yesterday. Are we mates?
But don't you think he knew why you were calling? And that was why he refused picking your calls. Please, let me handle this. Okay?
More reason I should go see him. More reason I should go look into his eyes. He is my son. And he must do exactly everything I say. Do as I say. That is the word. In fact, excuse me. I'll see you when I come back.
Okay.
Let me run along because there is no time.
Who's there? Hold up. Mommy. Welcome. That's your mom.
Oh, Mom.
Yes?
Welcome. Come in.
You've been avoiding my call. This prostitute is the reason you have refused to pick your mother's call. I don't blame you.
Mom, please, don't call my woman names, please.
I shouldn't call your woman names?
Yes.
Is it not obvious? Is she not a prostitute? How is that an offense? Did I make any mistake by calling her name? You are a prostitute!
Mom.
Cheap one!
Mom, please, can you kindly sit down? You
I
just
didn't
got
come here to sit down. I came to ask you why you have refused to pick your mother's call.
Because I know what you want to tell me.
Really?
Of course. And I've told you that I've made my decisions known to you.
And your decisions are final?
Yes. It's final.
Yeah, Okechukwu. How do you think you can get married to a woman that has been milked, sapped, different kinds of men. Black, white, pink, old, young. What does she have that she will offer to you? Wait, how did you arrive at this point? You're settling for a woman who has no shame, who has no respect for her body, who has no culture, who has no integrity, knowing the family you came from, your background and everything.
No one is perfect. Alright? No one is perfect. Now, let me ask you this question. No disrespect. Did Dad marry you a virgin?
How dare you talk to me in that language and manner? Have you lost your mind? Oh, I said it. That prostitute has poisoned your mind diabolically. That is why you can talk to me with such vulgarity. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? You are biting more than you can chew. I'll remove your teeth so that you don't bite again.
That girl has done nothing wrong to me. The only charm she's using on me is her love and her kind spirit. And I'm not ready to be freed from it. Chimamanda will be my wife with or without anyone's consent.
Okay, Chukwu, you lie. You see this one? You lied. You are my son. That settles it.
Your son that is old enough to make his decisions. I am old enough to make my choice. Chimamanda is my choice. And the earlier you accept it, the better for all of us. If you like, you can hit me 1,000,000 times, Mother. My decision is final.
No.
I will call Ure to attend to you.
Okay, Chukwu. Okay, Chukwu. Ah! She hasn't even taught you how to work out for your own mother. Hey! That girl has done her worst. She has not seen the last of me. Because that last of me will be fire. I think I should be on my way.
To see it like this. I know what my mom said could be hurtful, but you don't allow that break you down.
But she was right. I was a prostitute with no shame and integrity. Not everything is coming back to me. So whatever I get, I truly deserve.
No, my love, no. You don't speak low of yourself like that. You're a queen. It's not entirely your fault. The society made it so.
But I made myself so vulnerable for the society to step on. I know I faced a lot of trials and tribulations, but that wasn't an excuse. I should have known better. I should have done better. I'm so pained. I regret a lot of things. I regret a lot.
Hey. Oh, baby. Don't poison your future with the pain of the past. That is not who you are, my love.
But the secret of the future lies in the past. You know that, don't you?
Yesterday is not ours to recover. But today is ours to build. The past is far gone and gone forever. Now you have the chance to rewrite your story and show the world who you really are. You don't have to dwell on the past. What counts is the ability to hold on, the ability to carry yourself, the ability to move on. You don't have to think down, you don't have to think negative of yourself. I'm ready. I'm ready to walk this path with you. But you have to be ready. You have to promise me that you're ready mentally, spiritually, and physically.
It's not that easy, you know.
It is easy. It's easy to change that mindset. You don't have to think low of yourself. You don't have to think about the society. You have to believe in yourself, and that is what matters. Remember, we promised each other that we are going to stand firm together. It's going to be a rough path, but for gold to shine, it has to pass through fire. You have to constantly remind yourself that you're a queen and don't let anything bring you down. I love you. It's okay.
Oh. Mrs. Where you leave?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Is it fitting for your profession? Did a good job here.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm still wondering how you were able to find my place.
Oh, how I found your place. Your place is not hidden, of course. You're a professional prostitute. And your name is on the lips of every young man, all of them in the city. I must applaud you. You did your marketing very well. Bravo. You're a good marketing officer.
Sorry, ma'am. If you would sit down, I can offer you something.
Oh, shut up. Just shut that your stupid mouth. You think I came here for a friendly visit or something? Oh, you want to poison me the way you poisoned my son? If you look at me very well, you know that I'm too big for such a thing to work on me. What exactly do you want from my son?
With all sincerity, ma'am, I'm in love with your son.
Love. A prostitute in love. Prostitution and love. Do they work together? A prostitute in love. Why are you pretending? Why don't you confess to the whole world that you are in love with my son's money? Why hide it under the guise of love? Name your price, young lady.
Price?
Don't play dumb with me because I will slap your face.
I'm sorry, ma, but the love I have for your son is not for sale.
A prostitute does not love money. Which is more expensive? Your love or your body?